All right. So this is where I am with it, right where I left off. Excuse me. All right. So what I just had the thought of doing at work today was starting to like really figure out when each of my functions gets invoked. So like console log, like the name of the function and like when the order what the order is and when it gets invoked, stuff like that. I may implement that like later on, but I think that's going to be a practice that I implement, and then like whenever I go into like production code, just like comment it out. But I don't know. I don't know if that's like a bad practice or a good practice. But yeah, the next thing that I want to do is like say for example, I don't know which one I want to do first. I guess I'll just start. And um, I think when I hit this button, uh, start changeover. This is what I do. Oh, okay. So what when that changes? I'm not using that anymore. So let's see what it does. Start a changeover. Okay, that's all that that does. It's what is this one? Changeover status. This one gets called first at 68. That's the whole document. An array. Probably the array of products. I don't want to do that just yet. That was 400. What? 403? At 403. Oh, in the changeover. Whoops. So like, yes. Where else? 411. Mm, I mean, it's kind of already doing what I wanted to do, so that's great. Kind of doing what I wanted to do. I just need certain doc updates to not be called. So it does this, then something in 320 in this one. Comment that out. No changeover. Something went wrong. Oh, gee. What happened? Oh, okay. Let's describe what went wrong. What? What? This is weird. Okay. Probably gonna comment that out. Comment this out. Do I have a 355? I don't. Still going to 320 and 324. And that was it. All right. Fine. Fine. So let's try this again. Hmm. So what I want to do, let me think. Where I'm starting at right here. I'm on the phone. So like there should be an active changeover here. Hold up. Uh-uh. There should be an active changeover. If the status is changeover. Uh yes. But something is off. Because if there was one hmm, current changeover, it doesn't have that field. No. That's how you spell that, right? Or just making sure they link up. But when I go here, does it say end? Mm-mm. Interesting. Maybe because it doesn't have that there. Is that the reason why? Hello? Let's restart. Okay, fine. Something about this never ended properly. Honestly, it may be better to go ahead and change that back. Actually, to active, but then change that to null. That may be what I do. Oh, it already did it. Cool. It's great. Now, mm, I'm thinking about like which state to have it be the blank state. Should it be the status is changeover, the status is active, or the status is inactive? And I'm not sure. It's managing this like the statuses, but Hmm. I think I may start. Excuse me. Let me just. Uh, uh, that's been resolved. Mm, I guess this is where I start. Start here. This is where I start. What the heck? Huh? I should be on this. What the heck? So this should be the current product right here. Get that straightened out, straightened out. Boom. Products that can only run on that line. Cool. So I may be starting a changeover, but then I do this. It's not changing yet, which is good. I do that. Do sure. What is this? Cool. And then still go there. Ooh. Why is that not able to do anything? Start time. Why is that not able? This HTML should allow me to do so. Huh. That's good. Mm, 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 mm. What would not allow me to start it? Sorry, hold on. There we go. Hopefully that'll work. Okay. Mm, which one? Oh, okay. There isn't a line value. What? So when I initialize the form, get line, get line. What should I do? CLG. This dot selected line. Do that? That's that 373, right? Cool. That should be the line, right? The ID of the line. Um, yeah. So that makes sense as to why it wouldn't. Mm, is whoa. Actually, not what I want. It should be this dot selected line. What? The ID of it? How about that? Hmm. Interesting. Oops. It's not in the form. Well, what is that called? Oh, how about that? Uh, yeah. Huh. I'm starting to change over. No. But this. So, mm, mm, mm. This is not in the form. So I think I may just get rid of that. There's no way that it's going, yeah, there's no way that it's gonna ever be filled out. Even though I could put it in here because that exists, but the I don't know. Let's restart and see if that would do it. So you need both. Cool. Okay. Now, once I hit start changeover, what would happen? So I'm at the function, start changeover, form if the, don't need that. Oops. So that's really the only thing that you need. Mm, so that. Mm-hmm. What all would I change? I would add a doc with that. Yeah. And then update the existing one. Oh, not the form data. I need, oh, one dot ID. Status changeover, current changeover, that one. And then that should make everything okay. Fingers crossed. I'm changing back to that. I know it looks crazy, but this is basically just going to be that. Oh gosh. Oh, oh. Close form. Can I just do that? Oh, wait. Mm, is there one that would load in? Because, yes, that makes sense. In changeover. Oh. Oh. Huh? When I try to load that in, what actually happens? What gets called? I'm not sure. From that. Like, these should be disabled. To product. From product. To product. 159 is what I'm looking at. What the heck is this? 163? What's going on? These aren't real lines. E Kinda interesting. Hmm. Sorry, hold on. What the heck? What the heck? Okay, anyways, I blanked out, so I don't know. Let's at least just change over these, where am I at? Go up. If it's active, do changeover and, grab. Oh, so regardless of what I'm doing, mm, this, this. So at if is active, change over. I want this entire thing. If a changeover is inactive, do that. But else, else, do that. Hey, deselect. Come on. So, what? What's the other one? What is this? Eh? Uh, true? Truer than that? Disabled. NG disabled? No. That works. Cool. I don't want that. Actually, this isn't going to be an option. It's really going to be, do I already have the to and from, to? The only thing that's going to be in here is an option. Uh, option ng value, not just value. Ng value, product, and it will be from. Does that make sense? Or is it this? No. Dot ID? Or is it dot name? No. It was there and then it wasn't. How about I take that away? Because it was there and then it wasn't. What would cause this? What is the meaning of this? Huh? Could I not? Hmm. This sucks. Oh. Uh, uh, does that make sense? Dang it. Dang it, dang it, dang it. Now I'm kind of stuck. Again, with the same thing that clear. Disabled with an option. I don't know how that's gonna work. Hmm. Pre-selected option. To make a drop-down disabled with a pre-selected option, you need to add the disable attribute to the select. I had that. So just have disabled squiggly. Oh. Or if you want to disable it conditionally, show the current selection. Hmm? Hmm? Really? Really? What the heck? Now, what's the problem? Type string. What if I want to do that? Eh? That's still showing up as a string? What if I don't want to do that? Okay, fine. Uh, Does that work? No. Hmm. No. Hmm. Mm, mm, mm. Where is my on in it? What? I have it on a knit or I don't have it on a knit. Okay. This is done asynchronously. Weird. So I'm still patching it. If I do the ID, mm, when I do the name, and I'm setting it where. What's up? What's up? What's up? Um, I'm still working on oh, my YouTube thing is a little messed up. But um I am working on a thermoforming application. Uh Currently working on the changeovers feature. Like in thermoforming you have to change out molds and stuff. But I want to like track how long it takes to do one, but also to try to like streamline the whole process from changeover to changeover. And yeah. instead of just like making a completely new remedy for each changeover. Like try to, you know, make them a little bit more streamlined. But this doesn't make sense. I guess this doesn't make sense. I don't like Angular because it's doing this thing. Yes, it's there, but I have to select it, and I want it to be like selected on default. Also, okay. The key is that the ng value in the form, in the form control value must be the same object value from product. How about that? Oh, wait. I'm not even doing ng. I am, but I'm not. Really? Really? So instead of doing that, how about, whoa, oh, whoa, this is a little bit redder than I wanted it to be. Thank you. Please work. It doesn't work yet, but I think something went away. I think uh, ID dot ID. Would that work? No, but it's still there. What the heck? 63 is kind of doing the same thing still. This is still not else. Hmm. Hmm. Mm. My foot. Cannot find control with the name that. What if I just take it away? Now what do you say? Oh, what if I do name? I don't think that's gonna make a difference, but couldn't hurt to try. No. Huh. I think I would still rather go with ID and just display the name for like the user. But when it says that, or maybe I need to kill it, bring it back, and see if there is anything that I can do differently. Because I don't know what I can do differently. Please work. Oh, it doesn't work. All right. I'm asking Claude because I've tried everything that I think could work. Of the component, you might need to set the form value. Yeah, I'm still patching stuff, so that's not the problem. Uh, yeah, that's what happens. Did I not save? Okay. Okay. Something doesn't look right. Not a dynamic ID. The form controls should match what should be in. Don't do this to me. You're kidding. I hate Angular. I really do. With every fiber of my being, I hate Angular. Anyways, that worked. So now it's like I actually really do like Angular. True. Or because the way that it's like trying to make this. Hey, hey. You're using the disable attribute with a reactive form. If you set disable to true when you set up this control, the disabled attribute will actually be set in the DOM for you. We recommend using this approach to avoid changed after checked. Uh, uh, so whenever I do this, whenever I patch this in, which one? Whenever I do my get products, which one am I, what I want, what I want to do? Uh, 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 uh. Definitely not that one. No. So when I, it can't be that one. I think it makes the most sense if I'm okay. So if I'm initializing the form, I'm doing that. Gosh. Let's try this one. It says what? Mm, let's ask AI if it can figure this out. Don't think it will though. If there is an active change over the form is different. In this event, I want the from product field to be disabled. How would I do? What? What would be the best approach to do this? How about that? I'm actually using my Anthropic subscription this stream. That what is specifically for when there's an active changeover and you're already adding disable true. This is the best approach. Well, you could say that, but it's not working. You very well could say that, but this is trash. You could also use the reactive form approach by disabling the form control in your TypeScript code. If this, if there is one, where am I doing that at though? Else enable is right there. Is is a chai. over active. Okay. Active changeover. Cause like that's the only place. Okay. Set active changeover. No, not that one. That's just the time. Complete a changeover. Not doing that because that is when I hit this button. And that's not it. Save notes, not that one. And it's not gonna be that one. Oh my gosh. This is interesting. So, whenever could it be whenever I initialize the form? Okay. Patch value. Does not be the ID. Maybe I'm messing up. But would this not be the ID? If nothing changes, then why does not that not matter? That should matter. And give it the whole thing. This should matter. Killing it and seeing what happens. That should matter. I know I'm not crazy. And it doesn't matter. Okay. So, hmm. Would I? Okay, wait. What if I, from product, I'm just gonna try the approach that it is giving me. How about I do new form control? What did it say? Let's call the value this dot from product and then the disabled. True. And then okay. Please work. I'm following your advice and you're leading me astray. Wait, wait a minute. Well, I didn't mean to do that. I didn't mean to do that. That's my bad. Okay. What if I don't do this at all? Huh? Huh? What? Huh? How about this? One of these places is it's happening. I lost it. I have regained. No. So that's where it's happening. Interesting, interesting. How about I do that? This should matter though. The value is that. Hmm. And in my change is that what? But since you're using the current disabled true is cleaner and more explicit, why is it that you when I use the approach that is recommended by Angular, the form now the drop down doesn't load in at first as selected. Kind of doesn't make sense, but my brain is scrambled right now, so let's just make it work. Is that you're creating a new form control inside patch value, but patch value expects just a value, not a form configuration. When you want to disable a control and set its value, you should do it in two steps. Do that, then oh, I didn't know that was possible. So, uh, Regis, changeover form dot get from product, and then disable. Mm, mm. Or if you want to do it at once, use the controls set method with options. Kind of confusing, but I think this should do the trick. It did the trick. All right. It did it. Oh, it did it. Okay. So let's see this. And I can't change this. Oh gosh. Oh. If active changeover eh, eh. How about that? Cool. Now I did it. I am the greatest programmer ever. All right. We're making progress. Even though I don't like that. Maybe I should change that in my the HTML 53. No. Let's clean that up. Hey, 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 foul. Okay. I think I can clear this out now. Like this changeover should wait. Yeah. It should just load in the two. Let's clean this up first. Okay, already figured out how to do that. So I'm gonna paste that in, see where it's coming from. Cause I see it, but I mean not where it's coming from, but like what it means. Because I thought my form was clean. You said my TypeScript file 80, 80 in my auth service. That's weird. That's weird. I don't agree with this. It's that. So delete that. All right. An underscore. Gotcha. Gotcha. For problematic. I kind of want to start using Opus. I'm using Sonnet right now. I kind of want to at least try to use Opus. Maybe next time. Like, there we go. It's crossing out of, but there's still an of. What? Fine. Okay. RIP true. You know how I go. And then been May roll on the stripper pole with my that's on bro with. Why does uh, what? I guess. I don't agree with this at all. This is trash. It's just making garbage. I'm letting it, which is probably my problem. I'm seeing how far down the rabbit hole this is gonna take me. Hopefully it doesn't. What is it? All right. How much is this gonna mess up the code base? I'm curious. See, now it's just tripping over itself. This is a word. No, hold up. Validating is a word. Let me test the application by running this. I should probably get into testing. Okay, I don't know what this means. Despite the warning about, yeah, it's gonna, yes. Most importantly, we didn't see any. Okay, but it's already taken. Yeah, it's already in use. This is acting crazy. Sure. I'll entertain it. Perfect. Successfully without any. Let me kill the server and mark the task as complete, but it's not complete because if I open this up, it's not gone. Huh? Let me kill it and come back. What was that? Oh, I want to do one of those. This is trash. Oh, did it get rid of everything for me? Oh, you're such a saint. No, you're not. My bad. What are recipes saying? Please? Yep, it didn't get rid of them. Mm. Okay. 63, where are you? 63. I'm gonna change this anyways. So maybe I was just looking at something that didn't matter. Um, no. Is it because it's coming from an index? Does not have a type on any, but this does. Wow. Wow. But wait, huh? The old ones. Hmm. What's the difference? Oh, I forgot. I forgot. I'm not really patching that in. I need that to be dot to product, the actual one. Yes. Now you. There's not another one. To product. That to product. All right. This is gonna do whatever it wants to do. Yup. 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 Still. I'm gonna type any, but this does. Where am I initializing this and where am I patching it? To product. Okay. This is cool too. Mm-hmm. Mm-hmm. Maybe I'm jumping ahead of myself, but I still just want it to be there whenever the time comes. You. Oh, does that work? Dang it. Ah, because that's not gonna work. That can't work. Yeah, that can't work. What? Here. Oh, whoops. We got time. Where my mind? Uh, okay. Set it to that. Uh-uh. Oh no. Oh. Oh, this is bad. Oh, this is terrible. Okay. Because there's multiple in here. This is actually. Ooh, this is nasty. I'm doing another one. If active changeover. Uh. Actually, wait. Uh. If there's an active changeover to product dot set that cha- I don't have one. Oh, I don't have one. Active changeover what? What is that? There's an active changeover. I need that to be a string. Active changeover is string. So if there is an active changeover, active changeover dot to product. Do not fail me, please. Dang it. Dang it. Okay. Oh, crap. Else. do this. Cool. But I really want this. Is there one? Changeovers collection? No. Changeovers collection. Add doc. That's not. Uh, okay. Wait. Oh, this is just saving notes. Okay. Do I? What? Wait, what? So I'm checking for that. Dang it. Okay. Now we're getting down here. If there is an active changeover, whoa, I don't know. Sure. So what did I do up there? If if this is to product dot set doc ref dot what data oh const tp equals doc ref dot whatever happened to what get a document doc snap oh oh huh why am I doing that okay wait to product dot set dot snap dot data dot I'm getting this. I just want this is what? What does that mean? Oh. Boo. All right. How about else search that? Oh no. Yes, but no. Wait. I no crap. Uh so yes. Great. Huh? This is not disabled. Get to product. Hey man, disable this too. So I want that. Doesn't exist. I'm gonna do another reference. Yup. I'm gonna do another reference. So const TPID. Let's actually properly name it instead of being lazy. To product ID equals that. I can just take off the parentheses whenever I do a prettier, but I hate scope. Just do another one. But instead of this, uh, const doc ref, const TP ref, do TP ref, not that one, products collection. So in my products collection, what? Wait, what? Because it's used before its declaration. I'm not gonna lie. Okay, I was about to say I'm just gonna um ignore that. But I'm looking for to product ID. So if TP snap dot exists, I think this is the final one. To product dot set TP snap dot data uh uh dot name. Man, please. You're not disabled. Uh, get to product. It's still called to product, right? To product select or to product, to product, to product. Oh, well, to product, to product. Okay. Hmm. 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 I did all of this. Don't I just want to? Oh. Oh. Uh-uh. I want to do this. This. Oh, why are you not letting me? Hmm? Only specify known properties and ID does not exist. And how about this? I don't know. Mm-mm. This is what I want to do. I just don't know how I'm gonna do it. I'm kind of debating if I do want to make that disabled or not. If there is an active changeover. Right, cool. Let's try to do it in here. I don't know. It's all in here, right? I just figured out the error. Disbail? Really? Mm. Yep. No, they're both good. This is what I want. So, if I wanted to end it, oh yeah, it doesn't have one. On F2. F2 has a, this is HG. Do I have one for HG? Nope. Nope. So, okay. Now the next phase of this, what happens is complete changeover, which is this. So let's track it down to here. Whenever I complete a changeover, cool, cool. Oh, let me get this out of here. 68, 68. And then, actually, let's keep that. And 350. Don't really need to do that. So for completing the changeover, the end time is that. The changeover ref is that. Update that. Now, update that changeovers line to say active. Current product is that. And then current changeover is null. Makes sense. What else would I have to change? And then cool. Oh, wait a minute. Wait a minute. Oh no. That uptime. Oh. Huh? Uptime. That never resets. That never resets. So let's track this down. Uh, no, no, no. Mm, what? You know what? Whenever I complete a changeover, I want the timer on the dashboard. Jeez. Let's see if it'll do it. I hope this doesn't just like blow up my code base. Because this, I mean, the stop line resets it. I see the issue. The dashboard uses timer dot changed at. All I have to do is, oh, but when you, okay, okay. So now that's it. What? You're kidding. This did nothing. Okay. To that mañana morning. Cool. Yes. Now end it. Oh, we're working with fire now. Oh yeah. So, I mean, okay. From here, from here. Huh. Did I achieve everything that I wanted to? Let's look at it. Sorry for the flashbang. If I press stop line and the reason for changeover automatically open the, oh, that's another thing. Oh, oh, okay. So, um, close that down, but then this changeover form, I have not imported that in. Oh gosh. Um, I mean, I might have AI handle that because all I have to do is really like pass in something, but I don't feel like doing it manually. Don't set the status attained. Also, if I press stop line, please let me copy you. Copy the wrong thing. 3,500 my cardigan on top of me. It's nice in the summertime. I mean, I can see how the changeover modal works. Let me create a plan for the task. No. Oh, that's not what I wanted to do. This is gonna tear everything up. This is gonna tear everything up. I'm sick. I made so much progress only for Claude. You know what? I need to stop doubting this. It's brought me this far. Huh? Update the line ref status to changeover. Are you kidding me? Instead of directly setting the status. Okay. Because this is that. Okay. But when I do start one, then it changes the age. Okay. Never mind. I will stop doubting Claude. Another unused. Cool. Use the modal service for the changeover modal as well. Let me add the modal service to the dashboard and update the templates. Okay. All that's passed in. Huh. Now I need to modify the changeover component to set the line status to changeover whenever. You've done that. Oh, I was like, why are you taking that away? Okay. Okay. Changed at from date. I can just do timestamp now. I don't know why that's better, but now I need to update the changeover form method to also close it. Okay. And that's in the changeover TypeScript file. Cool. Import the modal service. Awesome. Close it. Interesting. I wasn't really getting one. I don't think. Let me kill it and then come back to it just to make sure that's doing everything I want it to do. If this is the case, then this would be the changeover for now. No, it wouldn't. No, it wouldn't. Okay. Do I have another one? What? What? Oh gosh. Something broke. Something broke. All right. I'll just trust it. You started change. No, something happened. Okay, fine. And then change it to 7 a.m. Cool. Changeover started. It did it. Now, not really optimal because it's doing negative, but and then I complete it. Wow. And if I stop it and the reason is a changeover, start that. Do I have an active one? No, it doesn't have an active one. It's showing it's inactive though. Okay. Oops. Okay. Now, there's one more option that I wanted to try. Let me stop the line, have it be for a changeover, and then close this. What does it do? Oh, okay. Okay. That's exactly how I wanted it to work. Now, what is this? All right. I'm gonna clean that up tomorrow. I'm about to just chill out. Call this a W. Also, don't forget to, even without me having Copilot, can you please do this for me? Please. Fine. Okay. I'm sorry. I'm sorry. I'm sorry. I'm sorry. I'm sorry. I might just do this and then do an NG build. Oh no. Don't interrupt that, please. Oh, you gotta be kidding me. Uses pre-rendering. What pre-render param routes? What does routes look like? Routes.ts or app config? No. Server no. Routes changeover. History line. Uses, what is this saying? No. 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 But get params is missing. What does this mean? That if this has been completed. Now the last thing to do is to add the past changeovers. Oh, oh, it's in here. Oh, okay, okay. What? See, what are you talking about? How about what if I want to make this more dynamic? Because this doesn't have any problem doing this. How about I just do? Let's see how server works. I don't know. Let's do it again. NG build. No. This really was the old one. Whoa, 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 whoa. Come back. There we go. Okay, now I have a clear IDE. Let's see if this isn't breaking on the front end or on the live version. Please don't. Please. I mean, it shouldn't. I think the real test is to check it on mobile. I think this is kind of doing nothing. I mean, theoretically, this would be running, but probably not. F3. That's not running either. And this, I don't like that because I don't like that. It doesn't have one. Yeah, be talent. Yeah, so I'll work hard. It's the longest yard. I relapse. I don't want to know that. Okay, fine. So I think this does the job, but let's see what is in store tomorrow. So yeah. Ooh, 2 hours. So relatively okay stream length. So great. Great. Apple sucks. But I'll be back later. Be safe. Thanks for watching.